Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Eric Talks. I'm Eric, and in today's video we're gonna be talking about the 7 everyday carry items that every man should own in 2021. Let's roll the intro. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna be talking about 7 essential items I think every man should own in 2021. But before we jump into the video, let's talk about what I'm wearing today. Today, I'm wearing the Victorinox Night Vision. I'm gonna be reviewing this watch in the future, so if you don't wanna miss any of my videos, please like and subscribe. Also, leave a comment down below. I really appreciate your support. Number one for me, I think is gonna be a pocket knife. I understand people cannot be walking around with knives in their pockets, especially if you're violent. If you're violent, please just skip to number 2. This is not for you, but jokes aside, I think it's a tool that is really handy. It's really good when you have to open boxes, and if you take your girlfriend shopping, if she needs to take a tag out of this beautiful outfit that she just bought to go out in a dinner with you, I think this comes really handy. And even if you cannot be walking around with it, just leave it in your car. But believe me, you are gonna appreciate to have a knife whenever you need to. Number 2, guys, I think it's gonna be a nail clipper. This is something that you should always carry around, have it in your car, because I think our hands is something really important that people perceive as our personal hygiene. And because us guys, we don't wear makeup or anything, we have to take care of the little details in order to be more attractive. And our hands, that's one of them. Number 3, guys, is gonna be a minimalist wallet. In my opinion, bulky wallets are a thing of the past. And as technology evolves, we should evolve ourselves too. This is my personal wallet right here. This is an extra wallet and it has a tracker. This is pretty cool. I'm gonna be reviewing this wallet in the future, but also I have another option for you. This is another minimalist wallet. This is a lot cheaper and I paid almost, I believe like $15 for it. This is a wallet that I used to use before, and these 2 wallets have got me many compliments. I think it's a good way to elevate your style, and it's a lot more convenient. Also, if you get your wallet stolen, because you don't carry that many cards around, you have less things to worry about. Also, I'm not a fan of having a lot of cash on me, so this wallet does a really good job in like keeping things simple. Number 4, guys, is one of my favorite ones, and it's gotta be a watch. A watch enhances your style and always keeps you focused on what time of the day it is, so you're always on top of things. It doesn't have to be a really expensive watch. You can buy one like this Casio right here, the Mission Impossible watch. I'm gonna be reviewing this in the future as well. This is only under $50, guys. This is only like 35. This is proof that you don't need something really expensive in order to have a watch that looks good and that it does a good job in keeping time. Number 5, guys, sunglasses. Sunglasses are a great way to elevate your style, but also to protect your eyes. I think this is an accessory that you should buy something that is of good quality, not the cheapest kind, because you're gonna be buying more sunglasses over and over again. This ones I had for almost a year now, and they've been holding pretty good. I really love them. I spent like $150 that, in my opinion, were really well spent. So, glasses, guys. Number 6, guys, is something that I started using not too long ago. This is a weekly planner. This is something that has been around for probably many years, but ever since I started using this, it gives me a lot more focus on what I have to pay, the things that I have to do, the things that I need to take care of. And believe me, it makes a huge difference to write it down instead of just putting it on your phone. I tried doing it on my phone, having a calendar, having alarms, but I don't know, I think just writing it down, it keeps you a lot more in check of the things that you really need to take care of. So definitely a weekly planner is something that I believe every man should have. All right, guys, number 7 and last one, and this is a backpack, or if you're a little bit more stylish, go with a man bag. This is not a purse, it's a man bag. So it's a really good choice if you want to be carrying your belongings. And to be honest, I always have one in my car. If you're more of an outdoor guy, go with the backpack. That way, if you're trying to go on a hike, just grab your backpack, put your water, put your belongings in there, and you're good to go. This one, if you're carrying around your laptop, if you're carrying around your notes, even your weekly planner that I just talked about, I think these two go super well together, and it's something that I've really been using for the last couple of months, and believe me, it completely has changed my life. Well guys,
That is it for the 8 items.
that I think every man should have in 2021. If you have any more suggestions, please leave a comment down below, and thank you for watching my video. Also, on my next video, I'm gonna be reviewing the Casio Mission Impossible. This is a really nice and inexpensive watch, so if you don't wanna miss that video, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video, and see you on the next one. Bye.